Hello everyone, welcome once again to Sana's Kitchen. Now today I'm going to show you how to prepare infused water. This infused water is also called as master cleansing water because it cleans toxins from our body and it has many benefits when consumed daily, especially in the COVID era that's going on. For that we have to take a glass bottle. Important is to use a glass bottle and you add 1 liter of water in it. You have to add few slices of cucumber. The veggies should be freshly cut, you remember, because the water soluble vitamins gets destroyed. You add carrots, few slices of carrots, 4 slices of lemon, 4, 4 to 5 slices of raw mango, and few mint leaves. Now raw mango has lots of vitamin C, even lemon has lots of vitamin C. You add 2 teaspoons of chia seeds, mix it well, and it's done. It is so easy to make. It's prepared just in 5 minutes. And now you have to keep this water in refrigerator or you can keep it outside. You have to keep it at least for 4 hours so that the vitamins get infused in the water, and it is super delicious and super tasty. It's just prepared in 5 minutes. It helps in our weight loss, it boosts our immune system, and all the water soluble vitamins, especially vitamin C, gets infused in water. And you all know it's so important in the COVID era to have lots of vitamin C today. Now, you can refill this water again till 2 days, but you have to check whether the vegetables get decomposed. In 2 days, you have to remove the vegetables and change and add fresh vegetables. Now, this water is to be drunk daily. It works great, it improves our skin, it improves our energy levels, and it's very good for our digestion. Thank you so much for watching Sana's Kitchen.